We all know milk builds strong bones, but did you know it also holds the key to building strong muscles? It's true! That refreshing glass of milk is the starting point for our muscle-building friend, whey protein. It all begins at the dairy farm, where cows graze and produce the milk that will eventually be transformed. Modern dairy farms are high-tech operations. Cows are milked 2 to 3 times a day, often with robotic systems that ensure efficiency and animal comfort. This fresh milk is the foundation of many dairy products, including our star ingredient, whey. But hold on, how do we get from milk to muscle powder? The answer lies in the magical world of cheese making. You see, whey is a natural byproduct of this ancient process. When milk is transformed into cheese, it undergoes a separation. The solid part becomes curds, destined for cheesy greatness. The remaining liquid? That, my friends, is whey. Don't let its humble beginnings fool you, though. This thin, milky liquid is packed with nutritional goodness, just waiting to be unlocked. Remember Little Miss Muffet enjoying her curds and whey? While she might not have known it, she was indulging in a nutritional powerhouse duo. As milk transforms into cheese, it undergoes a fascinating separation process. Enzymes are added to the milk, causing it to coagulate and separate. This results in 2 distinct components: the solid curds, which become cheese, and the liquid whey, often considered a mere byproduct. But here's where things get interesting. What was once discarded as waste is now recognized as a nutritional gold mine. Whey, though a byproduct, retains a significant amount of the milk's nutrients, particularly protein. In fact, it's a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This makes whey particularly attractive for muscle growth, repair, and overall health. But before we can scoop it into our smoothies, this liquid whey needs to undergo a few more transformations. The journey from liquid whey to the protein powder in your shaker cup is a fascinating one, involving a touch of science and a whole lot of filtration. Remember those science classes with filter paper and beakers? Well, imagine that on a much larger scale. The first step in this purification process is microfiltration. This process removes larger impurities like fat and lactose, leaving behind a more concentrated protein solution. Think of it like straining out the unwanted bits to get a smoother, more refined result. But we're not done yet. To achieve the high protein content desired in whey protein powder, we turn to ultrafiltration. This more specialized filtration method uses membranes with even smaller pores to separate the protein from other components in the whey. The result? A highly concentrated whey protein solution, ready for the next stage of its transformation. From liquid to powder, the magic of drying. We've successfully separated the protein from the whey, leaving us with a concentrated liquid brimming with muscle-building potential. But let's be honest, nobody wants to lug around jugs of liquid whey protein. That's where the magic of drying comes in. Using specialized drying techniques, usually spray drying, the liquid whey protein is transformed into a fine, shelf-stable powder. Imagine a giant hairdryer for protein. The concentrated whey is sprayed through a nozzle into a chamber with hot air. This rapid drying process removes the moisture while preserving the nutritional integrity of the protein. The result? The familiar whey protein powder we all know and love, ready to be scooped, mixed, and consumed for a boost of protein. Way to go! Concentrate, isolate, hydrolysate. Walking down the supplement aisle can be overwhelming, especially when confronted with a wall of whey protein options. Concentrate, isolate, hydrolysate. Don't worry, we'll break it down so you can choose the best whey for your needs. Whey protein concentrate is the most common and affordable option. It contains a decent amount of protein, typically around 80%, with varying levels of lactose and fat. Think of it as the all-rounder, suitable for most people. Whey protein isolate takes things a step further. It undergoes additional processing to remove most of the lactose and fat, resulting in a higher protein content, usually around 90% or higher. This is a great option for those with lactose sensitivities or those looking for a purer protein source. Finally, we have whey protein hydrolysate, the pre-digested option. It's been partially broken down into smaller chains of amino acids, making it easier and faster for your body to absorb. This is a good choice for athletes looking for rapid muscle recovery after intense workouts. Muscle fuel and beyond. Benefits, uses, and quality checks. So, we've journeyed from the dairy farm to the supplement aisle, uncovering the secrets of whey protein production. But how does this powder translate into tangible benefits? Well, whey protein is a versatile supplement with a range of applications. Its claim to fame is undoubtedly its role in muscle building and repair. The high protein content provides the building blocks needed to repair muscle tissue damage during exercise, promoting muscle growth and recovery. But the benefits don't stop there. Whey protein can also aid in weight management by promoting satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, it can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable tool for those managing diabetes or insulin resistance. However, it's crucial to prioritize quality when choosing a whey protein product. Look for reputable brands that prioritize transparency and third-party testing. Check the ingredient list and choose products with minimal additives, artificial sweeteners, and fillers. By making informed choices, you can harness the power of whey protein to support your health and fitness goals. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from ManufacTour straight to your feed.